Bless. Welcome to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. I'm here as usual to walk you through my daily routine when it comes to cooking. I'll be taking you on a journey wherein I'll expose you to my cooking, my concept in cooking, and everything in between. At this time, I decided that I'll be doing some fried fish. Today, the fish of choice is parrot and also some sliced snapper fish. I went ahead and seasoned the fish with some basic powdered seasoning. This is called Maggi fish seasoning. I also included some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Fish, as you all know, carry its own flavor, and it also carry a bit of salt from the sea. So as usual, I fried the fish very lightly. I've set my pan, and now I'll be adding my oil, and you try to get the pot to a very hot temperature. If you try to do any frying and the temperature or the oil is not hot enough, what is going to happen is you'll find the fish sticking inside of the pot. So you ensure that you get your oil very, very, very hot. As I said before, I've seasoned up my fish. Pieces. We in Jamaica sometimes enjoy the fish head, so I also have the snapper fish head. These I'll be stewing after I fry it. So I'll be making a brown stew fish head, and that will be separate from my fried fish, which I'll make a few escovitch fish also. So I'll fry my fish and then make an escovitch sauce for my parrot fish and some of the sliced snapper fish. And for my fish heads, I'll be making a brown stew sauce and do a brown stew snapper fish. Okay, let me see where my oil is hot. Usually to test it. Okay, there you have the fizz, so you know that's good. You hold your fish and you take it all the way down in the pot. You never try to let it go, or it's gonna be, it will definitely mess you up. For your fish head, it's always best to have it face down like that. Now fish takes approximately 10 to 12 minutes to fry. So you want to fry on both sides. So you give each side approximately 5 to 7 minutes, and then you turn to the next side. So we'll be allowing this to simmer down and fry for about 12 minutes. 6 minutes, turn, and then we give it an extra 6 minutes. Okay, so now we'll be turning our fish. As I said before, it takes approximately 12 minutes. Each side 6 minutes. So we give this the next 6 minutes. As you can see, we start to get a nice brown, crispy look on this side. You do not want to overcook your fish either, because then you're going to be having a dried out fish. So within the next 5 minutes, this batch will definitely be finished, and we can go on from there. As I'm saying, I'll be doing fried fish. I'll also be doing escovitch fish, and for my snapper head, I'm going to be doing brown stew snapper head. So we have a way to go. See see you in a few. Now it's time. As you can see, our fish nicely brown on both sides. Nicely browned. That's the way you want it. Not overly done. Just perfect. I'll put the next set inside of my oil. You can slowly fry. Now, I'll let you see exactly what the fish looks like. Besides some of my already made salad that I have ready. And here you go. One of my simple fried parrot fish with a salad. As I continue, I'll be doing a brown stew fish, as I said before, and the escovitch fish. So I'll be able to show that to you in a few minutes. But that's my fried parrot fish with salad. Alright, now I'll be testing the sauce. It should be ready for me to add the fish. Yes, this looks perfect. So now I'll be adding my fish to the sauce. So I have one whole parrot fish right here. Add that one. Some of this nice goodies on top of it. Need some space for some more. I have the sliced fish also. I'll put one piece right here. Always make space for any additional fish. I have some pieces of fish head I'll be adding. So let me put the next of the sliced fish. We allow this just to cook because it's already fried. Sauce is already just waiting. Sauce is ready. And then you try to get some of the liquid all over it. Okay, I'll turn the flame down because I want that sauce to penetrate. I want that sauce to penetrate the fish just for 2 more minutes on a low flame. And then that would be our brown stew fish. So in 2 more minutes, let that marinate in that gravy, and then I'll continue with the process for you. Now, one last test. Taste test and everything else. Okay, very delicious. So let me now plate of this fish. And turn my stove off. That's one whole fish. Also, and that is Smokepot brown stew fish. Beside it, our escovitch fish, and beside it, we have fried fish. So we did brown stew fish with pumpkins, carrots, chow-chow, and corn. We did escovitch fish with bell peppers, carrots, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and we also did a dry fried fish. Remember, if you enjoyed my video, you can subscribe, share, like, and most importantly, comment, whether it be good, whether it be bad, because all that will do is help us to go forward. So remember, give us a like, subscribe, share. Balance. Peace out.